welcome to Kelly's Creative Dream Studios, and it is a Spectrum Art Creations haul. And I can always tell when there's good stuff in a box. Bernie has even changed up the color of the packing paper, and I got this pretty green to play with. This may have to go in my garden journal. So now let's see what I ordered. Now this was not a big order. This was from my first 2 weeks of August, and one of which I got was this Fairyland card collection from Hunky Dory. And it adds up to make this, it'll make at least 2 cards. Everything layers on top of one another. However, I got this to go in my fairy journal kit. And I will stick that right there till I can put it away. Then I bought this paper from Bo Bunny. It is from their Carnival collection. Trying to get it unstuck here. And it's all just different types of numbers. And I'm always looking for unique number tiles to put in the journals. So I snagged this one. Some nights sitting and watching videos, I will fussy cut these all out. Then I bought into a Bo Bunny craft along using the Sunshine Bliss collection. And we're going to be using, I've been fighting this bag since I took it out. This is the second time I've attempted to record this, and this is as far as I got. I don't know anything else that's in the box. But we have this pocket card collection of templates to use. And then these are the papers. I love the softness of these. I will probably use this side more than this side. Let me adjust you just a little bit. There we go. So that one. And then there's this one. I just love this dusty rose pink. I just love it. And there's the frames. Now we have the frames in another color here in a minute. So I could eliminate the frames. And I could cut out the inserts and use them for embellishments. But I'm anxious to see what Maddie has in store for this class. Love this paper. And the perfume vials scattered throughout. I could see myself fussy cutting these out. And there's that pretty rose again. Then we have the cut aparts. Be kind, be bold, be true, be happy, be you, be strong. Life is wonderful. What makes you different makes you beautiful. Amen. Perfectly imperfect. And documented. 1, 2, 3. So they're good journaling cards in this bright sunshiny yellow paper. Then we have this one with the bursts. And then here's the frames, just the empty frames with the pink backgrounds. And there's this one. I'm sorry I keep hitting the camera, but it's a 12 by 12 paper. We have some border strips. We have larger tags or mats. Now, these here are stapled, but I have a punch that will punch those out and allow me to run ribbon through them. Then there's this, another that bright yellow. And look at all the torn edge border strips. This is so cool. This is really super cool. Bo Bunny really outdid themselves with this package. And then this is all sticker sheets. This is an entire sticker sheet. Be silly, be kind, be loving, forever, hello. Life is better when you are laughing. Beautiful, grateful, sun-kissed. Lots of small words down in here. A little bit of that torn paper distressed look with the bottles. Yeah, this is going to be a really fun kit to play with. I need to go in and check and see when Maddie has this scheduled so I don't miss class. Okay, then what else have we got in here? Wet stuff. I have to watch for Tabby to come in because she'll jump up here on the window and have everything knocked down before I'm done. So, I got a couple of Dino Wakely sprays. I got sage and eggplant. I'm not sure just what I'm going to do with these yet, but I'm going to keep looking. I bought some of these things. I ordered them while we were walking around the gun show in Springfield last weekend. This is Cosmic Shimmer Specialist Acrylic Glue. You can glue vellum down with this. You can glue your acrylic sheets down with this. So another glue in my arsenal. And then I was in need of some stickles. I thought I had a green, but I wasn't sure if I had this good color of green. I also had a yellow, but this was sunburst, but I really needed an orange. And this is orange slice. It's like that candied orange slice that you get around Christmas time. So I have 3 new stickles to put in my drawer. Playing cards. There are 2 blue ribbon and 2 with the red. And then I have memory fragments. This is from Mo King Travel. Has this envelope. And then all these pretty pieces. Look at the vintage look of those. Aren't they pretty? They have a Tim Holtz-esque look to them, but even grungier and faded and old and aged. And yeah. So we'll play with those. Now that I'm going to have time to really be doing some really cool mixed media, I'm really looking forward to these. Then I bought 2 of these, I think. Let's see if there's another one in here. There is. These are cutouts, of vintage fashion dolls. And I love this farm style. I love the greens. These will be great in my Irish journal. I did one for my sister, but I have yet to do one for myself. And then I love the classic blacks in these. And they're like a 1950s style of doll from pattern books. This one was, almost could be a wedding gown or an evening gown. There's 2 of everything in here. With a little bit of a bohemian look. I love this one. And I saw most of these because one of the things about Maddie is when she has things like this, she will pull them out and she will go through them. She doesn't just show you the package and this is what you get. She shows you the individual items so that you really get a look of what you're paying for. This one, with that orange muff, she could almost be going to a Halloween party, couldn't she? Another classic. So there are 40 pieces in each one. And I have the 2 different styles. Let's see if I can slide these back in. I don't fight with bags the way Maddie does most of the time. But then they're not attached to packaging either. There we go. So we have both of those. And then, my box is empty. That's all I got. That's hard to believe, but that's all I have in that box. Now I can tell you my next order from Maddie is going to be a totally different experience because I spent almost $100 on Saturday. And I think I spent, not sure what I'm probably not going to spend very much this weekend because I can't afford to. But she got some Tim stuff in from the new holiday line I was wanting. And so that really hit me Saturday. So, and she's going to pull out a couple other Tim things for me that I have asked, that I've requested. So she'll probably have those on Saturday. And I'm going to try and stick to just my Tim stuff. So, that is it for my Spectrum Art Creations haul for the first 2 weeks of August. Our next one I'll probably do around the first week in September when I get the second box in, and that's going to be a larger haul and a longer video. So in the meantime, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will be back here on Thursday to talk about the 500 subscriber giveaway. There's going to be 5 different subscriber giveaway packages, but you have to be a subscriber as one of the requirements to be eligible. So if you're just seeing this and you're not a subscriber, click that button. I'd love to have you join our team. Creative blessings.